Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your crypto tax documents with CoinLedger, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the CoinLedger website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the tax reports section in your dashboard. Select the appropriate year for which you want to back up your tax documents. Once you're in the correct year, look for the option to generate your tax report. Review the format options available for your report. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. Click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once generated, you will see a download link for your tax document. Click the link to download your report to your device. Check the downloaded file to ensure everything is accurate. Consider labeling the file clearly for easy future reference. To back up your documents, open a secure cloud storage service. Upload the downloaded file into your cloud storage account. Ensure that your cloud storage account has strong security features. You may also want to create a backup on an external hard drive. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Drag and drop the tax document into the external hard drive folder. Final check, confirm that your documents are safe in both cloud storage and your external drive. Review your backup process regularly to keep everything up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.